Cat Before Snip. Let's play some Castleminer Warfare. Lots of people play this, so I figured out I should download it so I can play. I had this for a very long time. Had this combat shotgun out. You're not gonna kill me. Haha. I'm undefeatable with this combat shotgun. But I don't like boy. I'm coming in like a gun. Like a freaking gun. Hey. Right, I quit school for days. I got remember it. Hey. Ragers, I am Mr. Better. I'm the rage. 368. Oh, 368, one perfect one. Right here. Watch this. Gotta get my settings. Music. Yeah. Sensitivity. Oh. Yeah, there goes a good 360. Oh! I'm better than everybody. Let's go. Oh, right there. I'm the best shotgunner. Hey, on Castleminer. Better than that. Hey, look, I'm a ton of. It says when I confess you. Hey. I said when I confess you, so baby, you gotta be, like don't leave, 'cause you gotta be when I pass you. What's up?
Yeah, this is getting harder and harder.
What's up, yo? What's up, Romeo and Juliet, guys?
No, we're on level 12.
What's up, Romeo and Juliet?
So we're on level 12.
What's up, Romeo and Juliet?
Oh, get on the side there.
Hey, guys, what's up?
Get on the side.
What's up, Romeo and Juliet?
Dude, get on the side.
Oh!
Stop being cool. The zombie apocalypse is happening right now, and you're being cool.
Hey, Killer.
Yeah.
Know who this is? I'm hacking Caps Beamer's account. I'm hacking Cat Beamer account. This is.
They're coming from the roof.
This is Cameron. I'm hacking Beamer's account. So, Killer, what you think? Killer, what you think? It'll be hacking Cat Beamer's account. It's Cameron. I know they can't take you without being in here.
I got 2 pack-a-punch guns.
Oh, I remember this guy. Wait, is that him? Yeah, I remember this guy. I'm undefeated, I'm a beetle. Like a beetle, like Tito.
Oh, hey, dude.
Hey, I'm like a seedle, I'm like a beetle, I'm like new Orleans eagle,
Dude,
I'm like Baltimore Eagles. Oh!
You gonna push back my gun real quick.
No, you're not.
I'll give you a side, dude. Okay. I don't want to look at
Ops 1.
No, we have Black Ops 2.
No, you have Black Ops 1 now.
Oh wait, no, I'm on Black Ops 2.
No, you're on Black Ops 1.
You remember me of Let's Play Minecraft?
Yeah, I remember you. I'm Cameron. Of course I remember you. The person that betrayed Castleminer.
Dude, I got 5,000. Okay, I'm coming. Hey, I'm going to attack a bunch of
That's what my everybody gonna like call that card. Oh.
I'm just literally doing like 10 feet over a zombie. Pack a punch. Yeah, pack a punch. I finished. I finished.
Oh, so close
So
there.
overpowered. I have like a one shot. Dude, you want to go to Minecraft?
Probably.
After level 20.
No!
Dude, after me and my friend get to level 40.
No! But you can't get to level 4. That's unbeatable. That's unbeatable, yo.
If I need for us, think about how good
You can't get... Nah, I bet you can't get to levels. I bet you can't get to level 21. I got past 30.
We just level 14. And I am upgrading my gun. And I have enchanted my gun 2 times.
Hey kid, what round are y'all on?
We're on level 14.
I bet y'all can't make it past 21. I made it past 30.
What now did I say? 21, you stupid.
Wait, it's 7 times 3. It's 7 times 3. It's 7 times 3.
That's 21. Okay.
You stupid. No, not. No, for real. No, I'm not.
Oh, dude, I got.
360!
I can back a bunch when I get gun.
Wouldn't it be so awesome if you could pack a punch your gun 2 times?
I did. I'm back a bunch of my gun 3 times.
No, you can't. You can't.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
What does it look like?
No!
I play Five Nights at Freddy's on.
Dude, let's go to Minecraft. Okay. I can't believe we died.
Wow,
Oh
that's
my god,
sad.
dude, look how much kills we got. All 3 of us gonna play on Minecraft. Dude, 174 kills?
I got lots of people in my lobby right now, and I'm getting XP right now, so I'm starting to get more right now. But y'all started the world.
Oh, I can go. Can we join your game?
This is an indie game.
I don't have that.
What?
Do you have Minecraft though?
I'm about to. Let me just level up. This is like zombie. This is like Call of Duty 2.
I'm gonna play on Minecraft. I have to go in a little. No, I'm gonna call you Black Ops 2. No. That's fine. Dude, are you gonna start the video with me on the game?
Not yet, bro. I gotta make. People are counting on me. Like, this is my lobby, dude. People like, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people in my game, and one of them was my friend. And he has.
You don't Minecraft.
Not yet, dude. I'm sorry. I gotta do this first. I gotta just. Let me just level up. I promise I'll.
After you do that level.
It's not a level, dude. It's like leveling up. People are in my game try to level up.
When you level up, can you join our game?
I promise I will.
Can you sign me to your game?
I'm gonna start. When I get on Minecraft, I'm starting a new legit world.
Me too. Okay, dude, I'm gonna invite you.
I'm not joining yet. I didn't level up yet.
No, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about my other friend. What's up?
Talking about your Cinderella. Oh, the 360, no YouTube. 360 again. Oh, wait.
My friend needs to calm down.
You got 34 kills. Yes. Hope y'all liked that video, guys. Hope y'all had a good time. Give a clap for me. 34 kills. Hope y'all like that. I'm just gonna shoot some more people for y'all.
End the video. video, dude.
I'm just gonna like this 360 one
Wait,
time.
are you recording right now?
Dude, I'm on YouTuber.
Oh, so am I. Yeah, dude. Dude, I'm a YouTube channel too.
Do you make YouTube videos on it?
Yes. Yes, I do.
What's it is?
I have 14 videos up.
Alright, what is it called?
Dude.
Yeah, what is it called, dude? I suggest you tell me.
Let me send you a message. My name has 3 different types of ways to spell it.
Man, just give me one way. So I can play with
hold on.
But I'm just like, just sniping.
Putting in my YouTube name, dude, when you end the video, it's gonna be your game.
Best quiz scope ever. In Castleminer, I'm gonna name that this.
What up, YouTuber?
Bro.
Dude.
In that video, it started again. It said, "What's up, YouTube? Another video, cap. Wait, another epic video, whatever your username is." They say, "What's up?" Or you can say, "What's up, boys and girls? This is another video, cap." Wait, what's up, boys and girls? This is another epic video of Mandy Borgen. Right?
Okay, don't do.
Oh, you just kicked him? 1 second. Wait. No grenade.
For a reason.
Oh, he was ruining our friendship. Quisco! Wait.
Okay, dude, after when you end that video, get a Minecraft.
I'm gonna end it like in a couple of seconds. I just want to catch a last
okay,
kill.
well, when you end it, get a Minecraft.
I just wanted to catch a last kill. Quisco. And that wasn't a Quisco. YouTube, that was not a Quisco. I want a permanent Quisco. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Hope y'all like that. Bye-bye, guys. Hope y'all like that. Got that money. Alright, so hope y'all like that, y'all. Guys, I'm just going to get one more Quisco, but hope y'all like that Quisco. Quisco boss video, like this, like. Hope y'all like that. See y'all.